How to contact Riot Games support. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can contact Riot Games support. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Riot Games account using any web browser of your choice. And then once you're logged in, by the top right corner, you can see some icons such as the language icon, the search icon, and my account icon. After clicking on it, amongst the options displayed, click on settings. Then on the settings page or the Riot account management page, by the top part of the screen, you can see further tabs such as news, exports, shop, and support. So just go ahead and click on support. So after clicking on support, you'll be brought to the support page automatically. On this page, you can see similar questions that you might have and frequently asked questions, which articles have been provided to address those questions, and also solution also. So you can just go ahead and check through this to see which of the question you might have and then click on it. All right. And then once you click on it, you'll be directed to a page where you can find solution. So if perhaps you could not find a direct solution by selecting any of this option, the next thing is to scroll down to the last part of the page where you can see the write-up which says need more help, contact us, and then click on submit a ticket. Then you have to select the game for which you want to submit a ticket. For example, if it's League of Legends, just select it and then you'll be redirected to the request page. So on this page, you can see submit a request and then you would have to choose a request type. First of all, for example, if it's accounts management, then after choosing a request type, you would see other box will be displayed. As you can see here, you have to select the platform, you have to select the subject of your complaint, you have to select your industry and all of that, and then click on submit. And then this will be sent directly to the customer support of Riot Games. And then the next thing to do is to watch out in your Gmail, your inbox, to see if a response will be given. So you just have to wait for a while, possibly within 24 hours or at most 2 days, you will get a response, and whatever issue you're having would be verified. But this is how you can contact the support, Riot Games support. Very, very simple. Ensure you find your way through it and contact them today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.